Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure your phone runs Android 11 or newer and WhatsApp is updated. Once done, open Settings and go to Apps WhatsApp, then tap Permissions and enable any needed access. Next, open Special App Access or Advanced Settings and find Display over other apps. Grant WhatsApp permission. This lets WhatsApp draw a floating window. Make sure battery optimizations won't revoke background access. Keep WhatsApp allowed so the floating window can appear reliably. Now you'll enable the floating window inside WhatsApp. Open the app, go to Settings, then Chats or Notifications depending on your build. Look for pop-up notifications, chat head, or floating window and toggle it on. Once switched, return to a chat and either receive a new message or long press a conversation and choose pop-up to confirm behavior. If your phone has a manufacturer UI, Samsung, Xiaomi. Also check its multi-window or floating widget settings so the window behaves consistently across apps. To finish, test resizing and moving the floating window by dragging corners and the title bar. Make sure notifications are allowed and prioritize WhatsApp and battery settings so the overlay stays active. If the window doesn't appear, go back to Settings Special App Access Display over other apps and retoggle permission, then force stop and reopen WhatsApp. If issues persist, restart your phone. That often resolves permission caching. If still broken, revoke and re-grant overlay and notification permissions, and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.